All right, my friends, here we are ready to talk about some pretty cool features with Humane AI and how they can help you as an affiliate marketer get more sales. I will start by saying that I am not an affiliate or partner for Humane AI, nor is this a sponsored video. But we all know it's a tough game out here in the interwebs trying to gain an edge with affiliate marketing. And if you've been involved in affiliate marketing for any length of time, I'm sure you tried many of the tips and tactics we hear about all over YouTube. And in my hunt for new and creative ways to get an edge and try to get in front of my audience, I stumbled across what I think are some pretty cool and unique features Humane AI has come out with that just might give affiliate marketers a powerful new advantage. And best of all, you may not need a huge existing audience to make money using any of these features if you have a way to get in front of potential customers. But of course, having a following certainly does make Humane AI's features and marketing ideas I'm about to share here a lot easier. So I'm always looking for new ways to get in front of potential and new customers. So I thought I'd share some of the following ways with you. As an affiliate marketer, you might be able to use Humane AI to get your offers in front of more people in some cool and clever ways to help you secure the bag. So let's get into it. Number one is voice activated product recommendations. So let's say you're an affiliate marketer with a fashion blog. You could create a video showcasing your favorite outfit or use the AI pin to allow viewers to say something like, "Find similar shoes," or "Where can I buy that bag?" The AI pin would then use your affiliate links to direct viewers to the right products. Or let's say you're a beauty YouTuber showing off your favorite summer makeup routine. Viewers would say, "Find that coral lipstick," or "What mascara are you wearing?" The AI pin would use your affiliate links to direct viewers to those exact products on their retailer's website. But what if you're a gaming streamer playing a new racing game? Your viewers could use the AI pin to say, "Where can I buy that steering wheel?" or "What headset are you using?" The AI pin would link them to your recommendations. All right, number two, interactive product reviews. So as an affiliate marketer, let's say you are an affiliate marketer for a tech product. You could use the AI pin to let viewers ask questions about the product through voice commands. The AI pin could answer basic questions using product specifications or curated responses that you create, making your product reviews a bit more interactive. For example, you as an affiliate marketer for, let's say, a new fitness tracker could wear it throughout the day and live stream while you're doing it. Viewers could ask questions using the AI pin like, "Does it track sleep well?" or "How comfortable is it?" The AI pin would answer that viewer using information from your own experience as the marketer and also provide product specs. A tech reviewer perhaps could showcase a new phone, and viewers could ask questions about specific features like, "How's the battery life?" or "Does it take good low light photos?" The AI pin would answer using pre-recorded responses by you, the reviewer, or pull information from the product's website. Number three, shoppable live streams. You could host live streams where viewers can use voice commands via the AI pin to purchase items being showcased in real time. This streamlines the shopping process and creates a more engaging experience. A fashion influencer could host a live stream where they try on different outfits, and viewers could say things like, "Buy that dress," or "I love those shoes." The AI pin would then use your affiliate links to complete the purchase directly through the live stream. Or perhaps you're a home decor enthusiast. You could host a live stream decorating your room. Viewers could say, "Add that vase to my cart," or "Where can I get that rug?" The AI pin would add the items to a virtual cart and connect viewers to your affiliate links for purchase. Pretty sweet. Number 4, personalized discount codes. You can use the AI Pin to generate unique discount codes for viewers watching one of your affiliate marketing videos or someone listening to your podcast. Again, you're personalizing the offer and you're incentivizing your viewers to click your affiliate links. Let's say you're an affiliate for an activewear brand. You could include your AI Pin code into a YouTube video, and viewers who use the code while purchasing through your affiliate link would receive a discount on their order. Are you an affiliate marketer for a travel booking website? You can promote a special offer on your podcast. Your listeners could use the AI Pin to say, get the Hawaii discount, and the AI Pin will provide a unique affiliate code to use at checkout. Number 5, smart basket building. You could create a recipe video. Viewers watching that video could use the AI Pin to add ingredients to a virtual cart as they are mentioned. The AI Pin could then connect them to your affiliate links for purchasing those ingredients. Hey, I love delicious food and I watch a ton of food videos, so I really like this idea. A food blogger perhaps could create a recipe video for a delicious stir fry. Who doesn't like a good stir fry? And viewers could use the AI Pin to say, add broccoli to my cart, or I need soy sauce, as each ingredient is mentioned. The AI Pin would create a shopping list with your affiliate links to purchase the ingredients from a grocery store. And perhaps a DIY enthusiast could create a video tutorial on building, let's say, a birdhouse. And your viewers could use the AI Pin to add necessary supplies like birdhouse nails or wooden planks to their cart as you instruct them in the video. The AI Pin, of course, would link them to affiliate stores selling the materials they need. Number 6, frictionless social commerce. As an affiliate marketer, you could leverage the AI Pin on social media platforms, of course, and viewers who see your affiliate product could use voice commands to ask questions or learn more about it, all through the AI Pin, which eliminates the need for them to leave that platform. Also, like an affiliate marketer for a jewelry brand could post a picture of a necklace on Instagram, let's say, and viewers who see the post could use the AI Pin to say, what's the price? Or tell me more about this necklace without leaving the Instagram app. The AI Pin, of course, would answer their questions using your product descriptions and your affiliate links. A gamer perhaps could tweet about a new game you're playing, and viewers who see the tweet could use the AI Pin to say, is it worth buying? Or watch gameplay footage. The AI Pin could link them to your affiliate review and your affiliate links for the game on a retail platform. All right, number 7, they have a reward program integration that you can use. The AI Pin could connect with loyalty programs of stores where you're an affiliate, and viewers using the AI Pin to purchase through affiliate links could earn points or rewards. There again, further incentivizing them to make a purchase. So what about if you're an affiliate for a sporting goods store, perhaps? You could partner with a sports apparel brand that offers a loyalty program, and viewers who purchase items through your affiliate link using the AI Pin would earn points towards rewards in the brand's program. An affiliate marketer for a home improvement store could create blog posts about gardening supplies, and your readers who use the AI Pin to buy the products through affiliate links will be eligible to earn points in the store's loyalty program, and they are redeemable for future purchases. Number 8, a multilingual customer support integration. So, the AI Pin's translation capabilities can be a game changer for affiliate marketers who want to target international audiences. Your viewers can ask questions about products or navigate an affiliate store using their native language. Perhaps you are promoting a clothing brand that could target Spanish-speaking audiences. Viewers watching a video in Spanish could use the AI Pin to ask questions about sizing or fabric, and they can use voice commands in Spanish. The AI Pin would translate the questions and provide answers in Spanish. An affiliate marketer for a language learning app could create videos showcasing the app's features. Your viewers, let's say they speak Mandarin, could use the AI Pin to ask questions about the app in Mandarin. The AI Pin would translate the questions and provide answers in Mandarin. Pretty cool stuff there, right? All right, number 9 here. Last but certainly not least, accessibility for all. And what that means is the AI Pin's voice controls can make affiliate marketing campaigns more accessible to viewers with visual impairments or physical limitations who may find traditional text-based navigation difficult. As a marketer, let's say you're a marketer for a travel agency, you could create a video showcasing accessible vacation destinations. And your viewers with visual impairments could use the AI Pin's voice controls to navigate the video content and learn more about the destinations through audio descriptions. An affiliate marketer for perhaps, let's say, an online bookstore could create an audio blog reviewing audiobooks. And listeners with limited mobility could use the AI Pin to control playback, add audiobooks to a wish list, or purchase them using voice commands. Pretty nifty stuff there, and I love that they're thinking about as many people as they can. So there you have it. 9 ways the Humane AI Pin can help you as an affiliate marketer reach new and existing customers in some awesomely innovative new ways, if I don't say. I really appreciate that Humane AI put this product idea out there to help make affiliate marketing a bit easier and even more powerful. So I ask you, what are some ways you can think of to use Humane AI in your own business? And while I think Humane AI Pin is a pretty nifty tool, I do recognize the price point, currently around $699, could be prohibitive for some people to be able to take advantage of it. But even in that lies an opportunity for you to have a slightly more of an edge over other affiliate marketers who may perhaps not be willing to make such an investment. Either way, I hope you enjoyed hearing about these clever ways you can secure your bag with Humane AI's Pin. If you like hearing these ideas, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel as we explore more ways to get the most out of AI and stay ahead of the curve in this rapidly growing, rapidly changing new AI world. We're keeping up with all things AI and technology and seeing not only how AI can make us more productive, but possibly make you money as well. So opt into the channel and let's take this AI journey together. This is the Tech Agitator. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, peace.